various example that how to do factorization. Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. Hello everyone. In last video we have seen examples that were how to do factorization using common factors. Now we will try some more examples. Okay, so it's page number 219. Example. This is 22y into 33z. 22y minus 33z. Now these are the two terms of this expression. This 22y, it can be written as 2 into 11 into y. Okay. This 33z can be written as 3 into 11 into z. Okay. Now writing them together, 2 into 11 into y. Here is minus sign here. It will be 3 into 11 into z. So what is common in between? So this 11 is common. So we will take it out, 11 outside. And what is left? 2 into y. It will be 2y minus what is left? We have taken 11 outside, and what is left? 3 into z. That is 3z. So this 11 into 2y minus 3z. These are the factors of this expression. Okay. Now next example. Next example we have 14p cube plus 35pqr. Clear? So now this 14pq can be written as 2 into 7 into p into q. So these are the factors of this term, and this 35 will be written as 35pqr can be written as 5 into 7 into p into q into r. Now this is 2 into 7 into p into q. This is plus here. This is 5 into 7 into p into q into r. Now look what is common. This is 7 common. Here we have 7. This is p is common. P is here. Q is common. Q is here. So there is anything else. This is common between. There is nothing else which is apart from this 7pq which is common between this. So we can take out this 7 into p into q outside. Now what is left? From here this term we have 2 plus this is 5 here and r here. This is 5r. 7 to p into q will be 7pq, and this is 2 plus 5r. So these are the factors, and these terms cannot be reduced first. So these are the factors of this term. Now we will see how to factorize by regrouping the term. Regrouping means in the case of regrouping we just rearrange the terms, so in order to get some common factors between the terms. The regrouping is nothing but rearranging the terms in order to get some common factors. Okay, so we will look for some example. This is, suppose this is 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3y plus 3x plus 3y. Clear? Now we have to rearrange. Suppose if I am writing 2x plus 3y plus 3x, because we see there is x common, and 2y plus 2y plus 3. Now this is, we have x common from them, so we can write 2y plus 3, and if there is nothing we can take 1 as factor, 1 as common factor, and this is 2y plus 3 here also, because these 2y plus 3 cannot be reduced further. So factors of this 2y plus 3 will be 2y 3 and 1. So now this 2y plus 3 is common in both the terms, so we can take 2y 3 from both the sides, and here from this expression we have x, and from this expression we have 1. So this is how, and these 2y plus 3 into x plus 1, these are the factors of these terms, and they cannot be reduced further. Now there is one more method. So this is one way where we have regrouped this, we have rearranged this expression with 2x plus y and 3x together. Now what we can do, we can group these two terms together. Now what is common between them? This is 2 and y. This is 2y is common between them. Now what is left? This is x here and 2y we have taken. We can 2y can be written as 2y into 1. So there is 1 left, and from these two terms what is common? 3 is here, 3 is here, so we can take out 3, and this is x, and this 3 can be written as 3 into 1. So there is left, what is left? 1. Now this x plus 1 is common factor between these two terms, and what is left from here? This is 2y plus 3. So these were the same as we obtained from the previous case. One more example, that is example number 3, page number 220. Example 3. So example is 6xy. This is 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x plus 6 minus 9x. Now we see what we can do is we can rearrange these terms together, because we are saying there is something common in it. So first we have to factorize these terms. Now 6x can be written as 2 into 3 into x into y. Clear? Now this is 4y, this is 2 into 2 into y. This 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and this is 9x can be written as 3 into 3 into x. Now from this we can see, we can take these 6xy and this 9x can together, because these have some common between them. So we can rewrite this 6xy minus 9x. We are just rearranging the things. There is not something we are changing the sign, or we are increasing or decreasing the value. We are just rearranging the things. Okay, so here it is minus 4y, or this is plus x minus. Clear? So now what is common from this these two terms? We have to regroup these terms. So from this we have 2 into 3 into x into y minus 3 into 3 into 9x plus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 2 into y. So from these two terms what is common? 3 into x, 3 into x. So this is 3 into x, we can take common. Here we have 2x, and here it is minus 3. Clear? From this we can take these two common, or we can rewrite it as like okay, we are not taking 2 common, we are taking minus 2 common. Okay, so if we are taking minus 2, it will become minus 3 here, and sign will change. In order to make this term similar to this 2y minus 3, we are taking minus 2 common. It will become minus 3 here and plus 2y here. Okay, so this is 3x 2y minus 3, and this is minus 2. We can rewrite it as 2y minus 3. So this 2y minus 3, 2y minus 3, this is common to both the terms. So we can rewrite as 2 minus 3 into 3x minus 2. So these are the factors of this expression. So I hope this is clear to you, what is regrouping or how to factorize by using regrouping method. So now we will start with exercise this is 14.1. 14.1 we will start from our next video. Thank you.